king. Bow, nigga, you know, nigga, I came by that hell, you know I'm a demon. Nigga, I can't fuck with them demons, nigga, you know I can't fuck with them angels. Nigga, you know I can't fuck with them angels, nigga, you know I'm a demon. Like, demon, yo, like, I'm in this space right now, you already know I'm high right now. Reach for the stars right now, nigga, you know I'm a demon right now. Nigga, I wanna be wild, nigga, you know I'm a demon right now. Hallelujah, nigga, you know I'ma just hop in your house. I'ma just hop in your hoe, nigga, you know that nigga my blow. Nigga, I don't fuck about hoes, nigga, you know I can't fuck my toes. Nigga, you know I be cheating and you know I can't fuck with your bros. Yeah, bros, nigga, you know I can't fuck with your bros. Niggas be keeping a lot, nigga, you know I be flexing a lot. They call me C-Lex, being a nigga, you know I'm a bro. Walking that spot like A, walking that spot like Kaylin, bro. Nigga, you know that Shaylin, bro, is what this hell, nigga, you broke. Like, nigga, you broke. Don't talk when niggas with his stations in a bank account, it's like, nigga, you whack. Nigga, you whack. Bitch ass nigga in the oven, that spot, he talking trash, you know I'm a crusher. I'm a crusher on your head. Nigga, you know I'm in for your shit. She feel the stars, you know pop smoke. Nigga, you know I been swinging like 2014. Nigga, you know I'm like LJ. Nigga, you know